They've discovered something remarkable where neuroscience and sound come together to support a sharper, healthier mind. Researchers found that gamma brainwaves play a key role in mental clarity, focus, and the brain's natural cleaning process. And now, a simple 12-minute audio session can gently guide your brain toward this powerful. You don't need equipment, meditation skills, or long routines. Just headphones and a quiet moment. As gamma activity increases, your brain's natural cleaning and immune processes become more active, helping you stay clear and balanced as you age. Many people report feeling more focused, more alert, and more connected to the world around them. Join thousands supporting their brain health naturally